Good morning and happy Wednesday. It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries back with another kids virtual program. And this week, your Take and Make kit is for a craft. So our theme this week is forest animals, and our craft is a yarn wrapped fox. So go ahead and pick up your kit at Columbus Library or Saluda Library this week. We also had a forest animal story time. So that video was posted yesterday. And we had a special guest, Miss Desiree, with Partnership for Children of the Foothills, and she brought some really cool goodie bags. So if you want to pick one of those up, those are also available at both of our libraries. And if you have an older brother or sister, our teen program tomorrow is really cool as well. It's Firefly Origami Paper Circuit. So tell them to pick up a kit this week. All right, so for this craft, what is not in the kit that you will need is glue and scissors. Inside your kit are several things. You have a cardboard triangle, a small piece of white paper, and a small piece of orange paper, white and orange yarn, 2 googly eyes, and a pom-pom. All right, so we are going to, oh, this one had 3 googly eyes, bonus eye. We are going to start with the orange yarn, and we are going to so look at your triangle and position it the way you think it should go. So the widest part should be at the top. That's going to be the top of the fox's head, and that point at the bottom is going to be the fox's nose. So the eyes and nose will go there. So you can attach the yarn to your cardboard however you like. There are several different options. You could tape it, you could glue it, or you could tie it in a knot. I'm going to tie mine in a knot, and then I'm going to, might need to be a tighter knot. It's not tight enough, you just pull it up towards the wider spot. And then I'm going to wrap it around the cardboard. Now this isn't going to cover all of the cardboard. It's more going to be an abstract art fox, but you will get a lot of it covered. If you're tying a knot, taping, or gluing, make sure to do that on the back. You want the front of it to be the brown part of the cardboard. So you'll want to tape, glue, or tie it on the back, the colored part. All right, then when you have it wrapped around, you're going to have your end piece that you'll also want to tape, glue, or tie in a knot, or you can tuck it in and tie it in a knot. All right, so there's the start of our fox. Then we're going to use the white and put it more along the bottom of the fox's face there. Of course, this is your craft. You can do whatever you like. You can mix up the colors however you like on your fox. You don't have to follow exactly what I do. All right, tie the knot. Now I'm going to twirl it around. There's not quite as much white yarn as orange since the bottom of the fox's face is smaller than the top. So that didn't take me too long. Gonna tie a knot. All right, so there's part of my fox. Now we're going to use the paper. So we are going to cut out the fox ears. So I'm going to give my fox triangle ears because foxes have pointy ears. I'm actually going to fold the paper over so my ears are the same size if you want to do that. All right, here's my 2 orange fox ears. And then I'm going to make the white paper also triangles. That's going to be like the smaller part of its ear. So you don't want to cut it quite as big as the orange. You want it to fit inside the orange. And then we're going to glue your white triangles on top of the orange triangles. Okay, just like that. And then you can glue it to the back of your fox, right there at the top. If you had some yarn there, you could possibly tuck it under. Ooh. Might want to make sure your glue dries before you do this. All right. Here's my fox ears. And now I need to add the eyes and nose. So you're going to put the googly eyes towards the top of your fox. You might kind of have to tuck them in wherever you don't have yarn. And then your nose is going to go towards the bottom here. So cute. All right, make sure to send me a photo. If you send in a photo of your creations, for every photo you send in, you get an extra entry into our Summer Learning Grand Prize drawings. Of course, if you're not signed up for Summer Learning yet, it is not too late. Come by the library or visit our website to sign up to get your weekly brag tags and get entered to win a bunch of awesome prizes. And then come pick up your kit every week. Next week, we have a super cool kit for ocean animals, so don't miss that. Have fun.